Hello students, welcome back to your online session for math class for today. Now today we are going to begin with unit 4. I hope you all have completed your work up to unit 3. If there is anyone whose work is not complete, please let me know. I will send the PDFs, okay? And you can also go through the videos on School app. Now let us begin with unit 4, multiplication and division, and it is on page number 44. Okay, but before that we will do a few mixed tables, and it is my request to all of you to please learn your tables up to 20. Okay, please make sure to learn the tables up to 20, then only you can do your sums very easily. Okay, before that we will do few mixed sums, then we will do our exercise 1 and question number 1. Okay, today we will do only question number 1. There will be only just few sums that you have to do, and then you have to learn tables today. Okay, then in our next class we will do our next sums, question number 2 and 3 of this exercise. Let us begin with the mixed tables now. So today we will begin with mixed table, okay, questions. So let us begin with our maths class, and see here we have few sums, few tables that are mixed. Okay, so let us do these tables now, and and after this video I will send one PDF, and there you will get few more sums, and those sums also you have to do, okay, by yourself in your rough notebooks. Okay, so let us begin now. See, A part is 5 6. So here we have to read out the table of 5, or maybe you can also read the table of 6 also, because as you all know, 5 6 30, and if we will read the table of 6, then also we will get the same answer. It means 6 5s will also give us the same answer, that will be 30. Now let us move on to B part. 7 9s. So we have to read the table of 7, and 7 9s is 63. Okay, and if any of you gets confused, so you can also read the table of 9, and then also we will get the same answer. 9 7s 63. Okay, then C part is 12 5s. So when you will read out the table of 12, 12 5s will give us 60. Okay, so this is the answer. Then 13 7s. 13 7s gives us 91. Okay, then 11 3s. 11 is the easiest table that we can learn very easily, and also 10. So 11 3s 33. Okay, then 15 2s. So 15 2s gives us 30. Okay, then we'll move on to G part, and here we have 18 4s. Okay, so 18 4s gives us 72. Okay, then H part we have 16 8s. Okay, so 16 8s means 128. Okay, so students, see, this is how we can write down the tables, answer of any table, if we will learn them nicely. Okay, and yes, there is one more thing, that if we have to write 5 into 8, okay, so if 8s gives us 40, okay, if we will read the table of 5 8s means 5 8s 40. But if somehow you are getting confused, okay, so what you can do, you can also read out the table of 8 5s. Okay, either you can read out a table of 5 up to 8, or you can read out a table of 8 up to 5. Okay, so this is how we can do, and the answer will be the same. So 8 5s also gives us 40. Okay, this is the rule of multiplication. Always remember that if you are getting confused anywhere or somehow in any of the table, okay, so you can read the opposite numbers table. If you remember this numbers table, you can easily write down the answer. See, 7 9s is 63. But if by chance or somehow you are getting confused or you are unable to recall the table of 7, so what you can do, you can also read out the table of 9 7s. Okay, 9 7s 63. Okay, and yes, one more thing I want to bring it in your note is that some of you used to learn that the logic or the idea of writing table of 9 like this, 9 8 7 6, this is how you used to write down the table of 9. But students, please try to learn the table of 9 by heart. Okay, do not use this idea of writing and reading the table of 9, because it is not at all good for us. Okay, this is just for fun. Just take this trick as fun, but please do not follow it of always. Okay, so please, now your vacations are going to begin, so please learn all these tables by heart, so that you can easily, within a second, you can answer if any of the table or any of the question is asked from you regarding multiplication. So today we'll begin with multiplication and division, unit 4. Okay, see, our unit 4 is multiplication and division, and page number is 44. Okay, now let me explain how to multiply and how to divide. I hope you all remember it. You all have done multiplication and division, but let us just revise it once again. Okay, so here we have one question with us of multiplication, 55 into 28. Now we have to remember this thing, that whenever we have to multiply two numbers, correct? That is when it becomes multiplication. So first number is called as multiplicand, and the number with which we have to multiply that number is called as multiplier. Okay, remember it once again. Let me recall it. This first number is called as multiplicand, and the number with which we have to multiply it is called as multiplier. Okay, now let us start its multiplication. See, we have to multiply this number with this number. So 8 5s 40. 40 means its 0 will be written down over here, and 4 will go in carry. Okay, then we have to multiply this number with this number. So again 8 5s 40, and this is the carry on this number, so we have to add this, so it will become 44. Now always remember, we don't write any number over here, so we just put cross over here. Now we have to multiply this number with this number. So 2 5s 10. 10 means out of 10, 0 will be written down over here, as it is right hand digit and left hand digit is 1, so it will be written down over here. Now we have to multiply this number with this number. So 2 5s 10, and it will be added, so it will become 11. Now we have to add these numbers. Okay, so 0 and nothing is over here, so it will become 0. Then 4 added to 0 will give us 4. Then 4 added to 1 will give us 5, and 1 will be written down as it is, because we don't have any digit over here. Okay, so this is about multiplication. Always remember, the multiplicand is here, then multiplier is here, and yes, the answer that we have got is called as product. Okay, now we'll move on to divide part. I hope you all remember how to divide two numbers, but let me explain it. See, we have to divide 230 from 8. Now see, 230, the number which we have to divide, is called as dividend, and the number from which we have to divide is called as divisor. Okay, now first of all let us divide these two numbers. See, we cannot divide 2 from 8, so we have to take these two digits together, and it is 23. Okay, now we will divide, we will just multiply the table of, we will just read out the table of 8. 8 2s are 16. Now just subtract these two numbers. After subtracting, I have got 7, and this 0 will be taken down as it is. Okay, now 8 8s are 64, because we have to take any number less than or equal to this number. So we don't have any number, we don't have a 70 in 8's table, so we have to take a number that is in 8's table but less than 70. So it is 64. So 8 8s are 64, as 8 9s are 72, and it will be exceeded. Okay, it will be greater than this number, so we cannot take 72. So 8 8s are 64. Now subtracting these two numbers, we have got 6 over here. Now see, the answer that we get over here is called as quotient, and the answer that is left out over here, the number that is left out over here, is called as remainder. Okay, so these are the terms of division, and these are the terms of multiplication. Now let us move on to exercise 1. In exercise 1, actually see, the exercise itself is saying, do you remember? It means these all things we have already done in 4th standard. Okay, we have already done multiplication, division, and even lattice question, multiplication using lattice also we have done. So this is actually a revision exercise that we have to do. So let us start doing it. I am doing two parts of question number 1. First one is A part, that is 59 multiplied by 23. Okay, so we have to multiply 59 and 33. So see, 3 9s are 27. So this right hand digit will be written down over here, and left hand digit will be carried out over here. Okay, so and then 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Again we have to multiply this digit with this. So 3 9s are 27. 7, 2 will be carried again. Then 3 5s are 15 plus 2, 17. Now we have to add these. So 7 will be written down as it is. Now 7 plus 7 will give us 14. So 4 will be written down and 1 will go in carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. And 1 will be written down as it is. Now we'll move on to H part. That is 9 2s are 18. Okay, 9 2s are 18, and 1 will go in carry, and 9 7s are 64. 7 or 7 9s are, we can multiply 7 9s or 9 7s are 64. So 4 will be written down over here, and 6 will go in carry. Now 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 6, 24. So 24 will be written down as it is. Okay, so here we have 8 parts. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 parts we have. So we will do these 8 parts today in our notebook. Okay, then these 2 questions we will do tomorrow. Okay, so today you all will try to do these 8 parts. Then by the end of this period I will send their answers in PDF format. Okay, so that is all for today, and these 2 parts, these 2 questions, to question number 2 and 3, we will do tomorrow. So thank you and have a nice day.